Tangkhul Football Players Association Award Mishokaira, Shunjantan Rakuina Player of the Year, Samadai Shaizana Lifetime Achievement Award Sampanghaira. Manipur Tampakter Kapongna Karing Karak Sazahaira, Ngashar Kavai Manipur Shokarna Jishat Haira. Ringyaophi Tangkhul Express Pvt Bao Ringyaophi Ningshen in a Pami Dalei, Bao Bing May Saina Nganangrumsa. Tangkhul Football Players Association's TBFA and Makokmida TBFA Award 2025 Mishokaira Award Mikshok Angranangi Chili District Youth Affairs and Sports Office DYSO TKS DMNL UDSA RKL Former Players Ping 2025 Miss Shiri Lily Esme Singh Shaiza Georgial FC with former captain Somadai Shaiza Atum Lavazangan. Tangkhul Football Players Association with President Raisang Mivashum Nakahang. Award take Kanutod League Katomtheilak Makok Kamina. Galangareo de Khalei being the top player League Gazang Chili. Itum players Akain Aka Katom dalei Gichiwi example Hang a Sakngaya that Raisang Mivashum Nahanga.
Raisang Mivashum Hoye, Adui Tangkhul Football Players Association President Salak Lene. Tailak item the Tangkhul Football Players Association the organized item the Ringyaophi wuivang Muneka, item Tangkhul Lady later play a players team. Item saikorali Tangkhul now leisalala, Nathum data from Rokauka district, Nathum data from Rokauka, Kazip Kui, Himang Vamani, Titauka, Legishi, Hohila, Amei, Heta the tail, Titauda. Tangkhul Football Players Association here formed Salak. Itum Kok Kasataka Gajip, khalei atam Samgapang, Color Players, Niaka, Tangkhul now, Hitharan, Real Hitharan, Gajitran, Itum, identify Salaka, Itum, Hitharan Association Lako, Khalei, the Kong, Hitharan Kok Gajip, by a bomb Lako, Itum, Nathum Kamta, Real Tran, Itum, Nathum Lita, the Kangang Rock the Lako, Tangkhul Players being Hitharan, the Tom the Lake, Tangkhul Players being Itum, Atam Gazida. Katomre kala azak nawaina tangdala itum mathamai da shemni vai gi dailagai na itum rim sa da later itum na az hita da organize sa da play hiba Tangkhul Players later play players side odo hili chi hui laga Tangkhul na sokta play hi itum best happy vai Tangkhul ngalei hili itum reu thek jung khalei khatha salala itum hi atum li encourage sa khami ji Upon Tiolak and the tail, it's out the itum collector, shame lavilla, say itum, Tangkhul now, players later play itum Bingla, Tom Laga, Pagamay option delay, Atum, Pagamay, Apam delay, Chipova, by itum. Hita the association is Sham Laga, players sign the players like Tom Morok Laga, so rather claiming Lisham Pilak say that I like any Rinley, that's Sunday. Now the Savagitally ishiwui award 90 itum nama Amei the Nathum the players got only rashungda Ringyaophi sasap vai
Ava avana kanjuteli ningasang tara khalei ningasanga ava china awi nauli football kangareoli magatom lada khalei thada thekuya football kangareoi na itum pasarin kala nishali tagazang drug addiction la kamkui paya kala itum youth unemployment la swidang sagra gachi hanga kanui thot sem khavai ka sahili lan chikat khavai UDSA MLS kala DYSO li kasathaira DYSO we officer Pami Vashana players pingli kadom da kahang
District Youth Affairs Sports Officer. Maleilak ni na to rachang le tu ring phatra kal kongsok tale kala sang sakhangai khani thoping players ni sang sakhangai ta kle program Maleilak na aruri iwi department liap itum na sabagi si wat ma kep kala government website aina fan ma khale wa aina sang hai kep khum sa pai le ka ina Tailak na az hang ngai baba imang me chi la az organize summit de kle association than pi kle se so pi to tam sal ga itu ko kayang ka sa now pin khanu thot pi ka ta ka pha po ni ka khang ya po ni ka ta cái chỉ bàn mà sum mấy cái sao cái tháp kiwat sao cái itum na mga cái thằng nào mấy cái cái chỉ bàn mà tại là cái này focus sang ngay như department side này chọn cái bài khi không lấy sao là eina department level này nè khi mà mấy lấy cái chỉ bao mình mà man cái itum xe shopping lang mấy cái Tangkhul lấy không thon cái điều này cũng mấy rồi hay bị Hello India achieving university tournament và sát national level gold quick high silver quick high color bronze quick high bị hele guideline juga chỉ số đó atumli job guarantee này jadi hi cái thai hi target sal cái itu kadu chot ni khang reo atam ni rono hi ning salak ai ni itu reo laga itu me achievement itu me target chỉ masuk vai cái gì ye silak ai na aju district sports officer al sada kadu chot ni aju meeting hele kalau aju program hele sun laga itu program kali hak sangai lagi ningshiya de
Kangareo now akasada disciplined hi lei phalungra kala ngareo da khalei hi eina shokra da khalei khanui thot ping wuivang na we aming eina example set saki kachina da UDS A members ngakuimi awung shin hangsang TMNL president na CSOs na football li regasang khwira kapai maram hangan Sarkar na mikharan makhami hitharan CSOs na ngarar miki kachina Shokra da khalei khanui thot players pingli katomtheilak da TMNL president ringpabam kasarna hangaira Churchill Brothers FC with former captain la ukrul MLA intending candidate sakasa somadai shaizana kasat sangda role model mathada kabangpui khawai hanga yermi pei shang reisangmi khodang yami longwa tharngachan tungshang ngaraibam keystone kala mayon singh Kongrewo atum bingli player of the highest level of Indian football we award mihaira kala TBFA we lifetime achievement award hi somadai shaizali mihaira Prashan Jajo na TBFA we emerging players of the year we award sampang kala Shunjantand Rakwina TBFA player of the year award sampang haira Prashan Jajo na Ayachang Gupsang High under 19th Saf Li Kayui Sam Kapangwi Tui Matui de Kahang.
Hi guys, I myself, Prasan Jajo. I play U19 SAF. We won the U19 SAF. This one is one of my great achievement in my life. This is the first time that I play for India team, and I'm very proud. To play for India team. It is always honor to be part of India. Thank you so much to the Tangkhul Football Player Association for recognize the work I have done. So I would like to thank them about this achievement. They recognize me and inviting me here, and they give the reward. So I'm very thankful to them. So I want to say that I want to do more. This award makes me strong. So I want to do better in the future, and I want to be one of the good football player in India and outside India. So I want to make proud India. So thank you. If you want something in football or in education or whatever in career, so if you want it, so please do hard work. Anything is possible if you believe in yourself. So if you believe in yourself, you can do. The most important thing is hard work and dedication. So for me, hard work and dedication is the best way to achieve your dream. So please do. Thank you.
2025 Miss Shri Lily Esme Singh Shaizanala award function Chili Wazang the players pingli kagatom pongshok the kahang.
So this is your Miss Shri Lily 2025 Esme Singh Shaiza, and this is such a proud feeling to learn that we have so many talented sports persons, football athletes here amongst us, and I didn't know we had these many talented players with us. So I would like to wish you the best, and I would like to say let us strive to be better and to be at the top. Thank you very much.
Ang ranangi Chili Prashan Jajo ngarin Shaizaungsem Jipangala Nimshon Shaiza atum pingli felicitations of the players award mihaira. Manipur Tambakter Kapongna Karing Karak Sazahaira Imphal Iril Zangda Imphal Kong the day the Kaika Shok Eina Kanempam Kurai Jagond Bales Compound Kala Kapamtli Zakshilak Eina Ponghaira Imphal West, Imphal East, Thopal, Bishnupur kala Kakching we Kamataya Shongfu the Reponda, Kawung Kava, Chotlakainale. Precautionary measures at a Tang Apam Trakali power supply mamitra. Government buildings nga data All India Radio zang da Ponghaira. AIR na Apam Kataili Vada Otnurut Majadla Sadali. Flood control room Atishuda Imphal River va high flood level Kanhaira. Nambul in a aerial Kongla dangerous level 782.1 meters in a 784 meters li long delay. Wangke, Kongba, Nambul, Thangmaipand, Naurem Thong, Iroi Shampa, La Derepong delay. Shimkur Taraka safe Sakamaipam li Vahairam, agricultural sector li Marlakaina Sadzahairam. Bishnupur Imphal East Kala West, Kakching in a Topal district, Louis Pong Rock Tale. Kai Gagabing La Taraka, Takaner, Sampang Haura da Ninka Creek Lehaira. Arihon Zingyat Makamatha atam hitharan Sadze Pailak Eina Khalei Abamni, Koshap Eina Dangda Mavakapei Manipur Shokarna Advisory Shokhaira. Manipur Directorate of Informations and Public Relations na Chanpao Mishok da Kahang, Zingshat Kala, Kong Kai Kashok na State Lideri Kapong, Shok da Shim Office Kala Institutions Tarakali Sadzadali. Kapung District Tarakali Langalei Kamin Shokhaira, Indian Meteorological Department Meteorological Center Imphal na Jizikami, Zingya Chanpao Tishuda Kazing Kamar la, Marshun Gahai hi Ajayna Dangda Apam Kai Kali Zifram. Tere Kapong, Tere Kangarung, Ngalei Kamin, Kong Kai Kashok, Ting Tekata, Pur Kashok, Hikata Hina, Traffic Lila, Sadzadali. Atam hitharan ngasharda kala safe sada kapam takar saya wuivang precautionary measures mikhavai jishathaira. State authority na mikashok traffic advisories shurlu tere pongkasar bamni mavakapei salu tere level 3 da khalei kongbam li mavalu Jata bai da khalei vulnerable structures pamli mavalu ngale min kazar bamni mapamlu kuchi hi hangaira kala chan kharopti mashit sang papalu Chanpao competent authority we na confirm sada calm sada pamlu district administration state government mikashok emergency number mathada khuihailu akhain akha ngjon ngarokta resources kazip khuilu state government na jishat khamimi ngana khuilu tarkar sablunggi gaji maninga kha kharam mazatlu kala tarkar sablunggi gaji maningla kazat na shongfu ngaji da emergency services li kahap laya gaji takeaway hangdale emergency khalei tharan water resource department with flood control room number 038524515550 li sapaira Okrul district Chingshat emergency contact screen azingli yongkhui baira Shina wuivang shap mashun wuivang National Commissions for Women NCW na ngarara kahai wi athe khamathe sampangda commissions chili zangkasa soso shaizana ringapha phangshokhaira Indian Armed Force with Thotrinjan ni kharesa da jahon direct mugade chiko thang National Defense Academy NDA we na shinau cadets strada shini pass out sahira National Defense Academy NDA na Rashtriya India Military College RIMC we Porikha hi shinau mazang sakla lega saji khangache khira khawai national level ina khangarli NCW na katom kami maram NCW former member soso shaizan hanga NDA kala RIMC le shinau zang khawai hauka phokala manga nur khawahi matailak ina advocate kush Kalra na PIL Thakasang we na Supreme Court of India na khangache khiraya NDA le shinau zang khangasak hi 2021 pay tarik trada chishat thang karochina jizami kala RIMC le shinau gazang hi 2021 tatraha shini thang jiz khamina institutions khanini le shinau graduates khare 2022 kum jatphoka NDA shinau graduate khare Kashok Sam Kapanghi Captain Swida Mishra, NCW Chairperson Rika Sharma Kala NCW former member Social Shaiza Atumwe Kagatom Paikar Zangda Success Sam Kapangnata Shaiza Naringapa Pongshokam Maram Wuivang ex-army officer Swida Mishra na social media Twitter li Kabishok da Atay Kamate Taipokhaira Gaji Hanga tweet chili kahang 2020 kum NCW we chairperson sagasa Rekha Sharma NCW member sagasa Soso Shaiza zangda commissions chiwi officially sampang the NDA ina RIMC le gender parity lekhavai khangasan haupoka kala chiwi ina ajugum kush kalra we case we athe ramathai uragachi phongshok shinausan dwi mashun wuivang manga kathana soso shaizana NCW members mang maningla PCCC Broadcasting Content Complaint Council lila zangsai TV la film le shnauli yom kasali la violence against women kachitheli council china regulate samia shnauli violence ka shock sakta makhwe khangasak la maning akha violence le promote kasa content ka zangli council china makhamaya red khamileya SC we retired judge pingla zangda soso shaizala pid CCC we members sasaya Imphal City ter kapong apam ngada taideli aya Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Phalala bayang hairam Imphal kongphai apam ngada taide we conditions bayang hairam Governor na wakhayang apam pingchi Kangla Nongpok Thong Lai Rik Yemba Lekai kala Singjame Thong zangam Governor Lingasoda Chief Secretary Commissioners Home Superintendent of Police Imphal East kala senior officials kadei zangam Kashok zang thaikwida kongwe situations ning kachangaina yangkhawai kala khanga ran phaikar khwikawai governor na jizami haira jingshat wunchi muina sajja kahai pingwe evacuations kala temporary relief measures wuivang ngaran mikhavai deputy commissioners pingli jizami haira SDRF ina NDRF unit lila alert sahaira da hanga India Meteorological Department na Zingya Chanpao Mikashok Athishurda Manipur Likazing Murder Rovafra Ka Rakara Madi Thangwi Zingyat Aya Achahon Thangwi Red Alert Pam Zakashiyaka Makashung Mara Aya Tarik Thumrata Akadang Sanapati Kangbokpi Tamenglong Hi Red Alert Pamni Zangsata Rikand Langbar Sipan Zingrot Masi speed 30 to 40 km per hour kada gazing panglak ina rohaira ukrul ina kamchong la orange alert li zangsai aja direct akhain akhama khnauthang ukrul ina kamchong yellow alert li zangda Sipan Zingrot wind speed 30 to 40 km per hour Zingrot murda ungpailak ina le direct madi thangwi warning malai mana Manipur apam kuchungali jingshat wi sagaze thaidele Sipan Zingrot Kamarna Maram Sada Apam Ngataideli Tiri Kapong Kala Ngale Kamin Shoktale National Highway Ngale Min Kakamwe Kahab Kala Ukrul DC Residential Quarters retaining wall Kai Gadala Tekwi Hiram Direct Magada Chiko Ngaya Ukrul Daloi Dadobi National Highway 102A Way Ngari Kala Paipung Matak Lila Ngale Minda Yarwichvak Mazat Ngorokvai Social Media Lila Hangming Roktale Jimang maningla zingshathina sihai kunau lila retaining wall jatkatali mi sagaz shokhaira kala shat ajahon tarik magada jishat ngazin bung thruk makhai shikali kashokna retaining wall jatkatajina sagaz ji atam thaiza hoda ali ukrul district hospital li ngahadale Jingri khawai kala normalcy khura khawai manga khawa shongbong maramli Manipur wi BJP legislators pingna ngasan kahai chanpao mishok haira stately shokta khalei maramli ngasanda BJP legislators magada katumna ajahon thang direct thumra thang imphal li kazipam jingri kahai stability kala normalcy khoi kharali athum khoka sada otngrut khoi kapai maramli ngasanaji yarina kapanga ka minganin sada tuishot hiwiwang kaponga solutions khura paya kala khura phalungra kachi BJP legislators pingchina kasat sangam Kala Chikatha Solutions Chi Political Ningrin Inclusive Chan Ngazek Constitutional Kanga Kala Mijang Makasa Law and Order Kahaili Paisingi Kachina da Hanga Jingri Khawai Shongzahi Center State Civil Society Kala Yarri Kathana Bingli Mathalak Ina Ngashik Ngarokta Wagi Kachina da Hanga BJP Legislature Ping Ngasokapam Chili Manipur's Saikorali communities Zangda Chan Ngazek Khira Khawai Maram Ngasanachi Shitsang Khangrokala Maya Khangrok Lake Khawai Rinda Maintain Kukizo communities we alungli kapha Rakhawai Dwi ngami khame mikhavai neutral dialogue platforms leng sak ngai ga BJP legislators pingjin hangam atumna direct magwalda pi ochot maram le lenga sanda phap ta khangra khira khawai media persons kala CSO spingli kharjan sa khawai sarkar le ka sathaira kala chili BJP legislators pingna katom miraji Neutral Peace Envoy Maningaka Benel Sam Khawai Governor Kala Central Kathana Pingli Hangkapai Maram Langasan Haira Benel Chile Amendment Person Sangda Manipur we Alung Kala Ayar we Khak Zang Sakrachi Chikatha Neutral Body we Union Government Eina State Administrations we Kakotom Zangda Mijang Magazang Ngashim Kami Kwikarali Kamataya Otingrot Kwibaira Gaji Hangam Grassroots level inter-community people to people dialogue we Kan kanala kasathaira local governance institutions civil society groups kadam now long now ping bodies kala regional organizations sangda janpe quick ga kasathaira state Lee Central Paramilitary Force kala state force na neutrality leader kasa darkar saya kala ngapom three ga hai khudlai recover kasa la kaphung tampa khanini le khudlai haita khagasak darkar saya the BJP legislators ping jin hangam Yarwina popular sarkar sem ngasak ngailak aina khalei phapta da hi sampang khawai khalata wuivang mapaningla khokha kasa aina wakhavai shongza ngasanachi jithada state wuivang yarwi wuivang phakhawai Hakkamaya Ningrin Kala BJP in alliance partners we Ningrin Shurda Kajaja we Ningrin Herhaida Mangava Kavai Nazek Hairachi Jingri Gahai Mashun Kala communal harmony Kwira Kavai Sara Gaji Hangda Saikorana Ningkajang Ningrin la inclusive leadership in a state he Koka Kasa Manga Kavasam Pangluira Gaji BJP legislators Pingjina Shitkasang Pongshoka Latluita Ajawe Kamadaya Pauping Tangkhul Football Players Association Award Mishokhaira Shunjantan Rakwina Player of the Year Somatai Shaizana Lifetime Achievement Award Sampanghaira Manipur Tampakter Kapongna Karing Karak Sazahaira Ngashar Kavai Manipur Shokarna Chishathaira Ajiwi Pau Healing a Jonghaira Pau another clay Nathum saikorali Ringyaophi Kalakam Hai Simikshong Saserana